Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is day 19 working on the 63 Falcon Sprint. My brother came over today. He's underneath there. He helped me put the seat in. Seat went in fairly easy. I did get the shifter boot on, and about the only thing I have left to do is put some screws in these kick panel plates and add the scuff plate that goes along the rockers. And then the car's going to be done soon. I know the owner is getting some more of these molding clips. He ordered, I think he said 10 of them. And they're not going to be here until tomorrow, but tomorrow's Saturday. And I don't usually work on the car on the weekends, so it'll have to wait till Monday. This might be a real short video. I'll see if I can come up with something else. Okay, we're going to get the rear bumper on the car. It's got these wavy washer things that go on between the bumper and the bumper brackets. It's easier if you tape these things to the inside of the bumper first. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, hold the bumper up there. Yep. Put the wire in here for the reverse light. Not reverse light, license
plate light.
Yeah, license plate. Car in great shape underneath here. Just need to hook up the license plate light, and that part will be done. I'm going to take a video of it coming out of the garage for the first time. It's sunny, so we'll be able to see the clear coat in the sun. Need to dust it off because it's full of garage dust. Thing's looking good. Looking real nice. Well, Ken, I hope you're happy. I sure like it. It's a beautiful car. Okay, I'm going to put her back in the garage.
Back at home.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds real good. Stop it.
Yeah. I installed both scuff plates. All the screws are in. The seat moves forward and back. I had to do some adjusting and a little bit of modifying on that, but that's working. And that's going to be the end of day 19 working on the 63 Falcon Sprint. I hope you enjoyed watching Dan's Messy Garage, and please stay tuned for day 20, but that won't happen for a couple more days. Bye.